What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are so welcome. In today's video, I am gonna be showing you how to use baking soda to get rid of belly fat. Now this is just gonna be very effective. I've tried this before. There are some other ingredients that are added to it, so if you want to know what other ingredients is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there, and also at my website there are tons of natural ingredients there, the ones that I use on my channel, so you can purchase them there. The link at my comment section, it is pinned down there. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel. Alright guys, so let's jump into this video. The first ingredients we're going to be needing bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Baking soda is an exercise enhancer. Consuming baking soda improves kidney function. Baking soda buffer acids in the body and help to keep pH level balanced. It also removes belly fat and accumulated body weight. Baking soda can balance body chemistry, triggering self-healing to flush out toxins from the body. We're gonna be needing a glass cup and some warm water. So I just finished boiling this water, and now I'm gonna be pouring that into the glass cup, and this will be okay. Now for the baking soda, we're gonna be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda for 1 full glass of water, and then you're gonna pour that into the glass, and it's just gonna bubble this way. Hope you can see how it bubbles. Yeah, that's how it's gonna bubble with warm water. Now it is actually dissolving. Okay, it will dissolve just like salt. The next ingredients, we're going to be needing apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar relieve acid reflux, a strain on your heart, forcing it to work harder to push blood without the body, and it also helps for strength build-up. It's also an exercise booster. It also contains lactic acid, which helps to remove fatigue, and it also removes belly fat and general body weight. For the apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. The next ingredients, we're going to be needing lemon. Lemon is an excellent and rich source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that protects the body against immune system deficiency. Lemon contains pectic fiber, which is very beneficial for colon health, and it ultimately helps to flush out belly fat, and it also helps for general body weight. For the lemon, I'm gonna be cutting the lemon into 2. I'm gonna be squeezing in 1 teaspoon of lemon into the cup, and it's just gonna bubble. So now we're gonna stir it and allow the baking soda fully dissolve. You can see how it's still bubbling. Alright, so it's gonna continue that way until it is totally dissolved. So I'm going to stir this up, and this is the reaction you are going to get. Alright, so here it is. Now you can keep stirring till the baking soda dissolves. or you can just leave it for the water to chill down a little bit, and also for the baking soda to also dissolve very well. Alright, so this is belly fat burning tea. This is really effective, but it is not good for everybody. If you're just giving birth, you shouldn't drink this. It's just for people, you know, who are not breastfeeding or just giving birth. So here is my baking soda drink. Now you have to always drink this warm, all right? And you have to drink this, you know, after you've eaten meal at night or first thing in the morning. Okay, so neutral smell, it doesn't really have any smell. All right, it tastes a little salty, but there's no salt in it. It's really nice. Yeah. Good. Alright guys, so there you have it. Go and, you know, make your baking soda, you know, drink to reduce belly fat, but don't make it more than half tablespoon, okay, at a time. And this is just gonna be so helpful. Alright guys, so you can take this 3 times in a week, not every day. You shouldn't take this every day, okay? Alright guys, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also on my website I have tons of natural ingredients there, the ones I use on my channel. You can get them there on my website. Alright, the link at my comment section, it is pinned down there. Alright guys, so stay trim, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon in my next video guys. Bye.